I have many interesting conversations with my students who have qualified and even otherwise who are still struggling and fighting and working to qualify. एक realization मेरा हुआ है इस conversations में last couple of days में that whenever I ask कि what is one of the most important first steps towards prelims preparation, the answer invariably is we must know the syllabus and we must know the PYQ. हमें PYQ analysis करना चाहिए. ये कॉमन पॉइंट होता है प्रिपरेशन में. बट व्हेन आई एम आस्किंग स्टूडेंट्स कि व्हेन यू आर एनालाइजिंग PYQs, व्हाट डू यू डू? Okay, what are the 2-3 things which are important for PYQ analysis? And that's when the thinking starts getting blurred. अब बच्चों को पता ये नहीं होता है कि जब आप PYQs आप देख रहे हैं, PYQs analysis is different from PYQ solving. Most of them, they start solving the paper. और नहीं पता है तो आंसर देखते हैं, whatever. This is not analysis. Analysis is about कि कैसे questions आते हैं, किस topic से questions आते हैं, कौन से questions repeat होते हैं, and what are the type of current affairs they link with the conceptual and the static part. इसको बोलते हैं analysis. And analysis also means being able to anticipate क्या पूछने वाला है. This is one of the most important first steps when you get into any competitive examination. जब आप कॉलेज में हैं, जब आप maybe you are part of some other exams like NEET, JEE or CAT etc. ये बहुत important first step है to understand कि एग्जाम का डिजाइन क्या है और कैसे questions पूछे जाते हैं. And another very interesting insight I have from the students is, all the students I have met till now, particularly those who are still preparing and struggling, they do not know the syllabus of what they should be studying. देखो, एक तो होता है ना ऑफिशियल सिलेबस जो यूपीएससी पब्लिश करता है, विच इज डॉक्यूमेंटेड, और एक है कि एक्चुअल स्कोप ऑफ थिंग्स विच गेट्स आस्क्ड, द एक्चुअल रेंज ऑफ टॉपिक्स विच यू शुड स्टडी सो दैट यू आर रेडी. एंड आई एम सरप्राइज and I must say that this problem also affects a lot of teachers also. एक होता है जनरल सिलेबस कि आपको ए से बी पढ़ना है, और एक होता है एग्जाम स्पेसिफिक स्कोप आइडेंटिफाई करना, एग्जाम स्पेसिफिक रेंज ऑफ टॉपिक्स को प्रॉपरली ऑर्गेनाइज करके पढ़ना. और ये सिलेबस जो हम बता रहे हैं, दिस इज समथिंग यू हैव टू मेक फॉर योरसेल्फ बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट हैज बीन आस्क्ड टिल नाउ. आप ये करके देखो, इट्स अ चैलेंज टू ऑल ऑफ यू. Sit down and see if you can actually map what are the topics you have to study. And when I say topics, don't give me general words like I must study parliament, that I must study fundamental rights. Fundamental rights में क्या? Parliament में क्या? Okay, when you say governor generals, which governor generals? If you can map it down to that subtopic level, आपका preparation is more focused. So all of this I'm going to teach you and also train you as a part of a workshop which I'll have on 3rd of December on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Live session है, YouTube में है. Sit down and let us study, let us find out कि एग्जाम क्रैक करने का प्रोसेस क्या है. And very importantly, ये कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं, this will happen only if you do it. I've seen a lot of teachers share PPTs, they give you pie diagrams, big graph दे देते हैं कि अच्छा इससे questions आता है, इससे questions आता है. It doesn't help. The most important outcome of this process will be when you sit down and analyze the papers. When you put in your head, your mind, you put in your own energy, ताकि you understand कि कैसे questions आते हैं, कहाँ twist डालता है. And this is not a one-day work. Join me on the workshop 3rd of December at 8 p.m. And meanwhile, if you can be part of my Telegram group, Shabir for IAS, it's an open group जहाँ पर मैं syllabus आपका डाल दूंगा. And then I'll tell you आप question paper कैसे आप solve कर सकते हैं. See you on the live workshop and keep with me on the Telegram group. And I promise you, your preparation towards prelims will be less haphazard, less chaotic. And if you do well, there's every possibility you'll be able to ace the examination for 2026 prelims. Shabbir at Edukemi, focus, drive, all energy towards prelims 2026.